Alright, robot, here's the situation. I've got this little camera, the Picasso Brave 4. I left it in the bottom of my bag at some point, and it got some scratches on the surface of the lens here, and if you hold it at an angle just right, you can kind of see what happened. What that's caused is a cloudy picture. I'm going to try to fix it with this stuff, POLYWATCH, which is some kind of stuff. What I'm supposed to do apparently is apply to this to the lens here and use a soft object like a cotton or wool or something to rub it for a while, and then it's supposed to get better. So that's the plan. And the instructions are on here teeny tiny, and they're also on here in such a way that they're in different languages. So I'm going to try this now. I'm going to make a little before picture. Here it is. You can tell how cloudy it was before. Now I'm going to try to clean the lens. Let's see what happens. It does look like a little of that lens grinding stuff. I'm supposed to do this for 2 to 3 minutes, so let's give it 3. There we go. I suspect this is some kind of lens grinding stuff. I know this could be more exciting. It's not quite like watching paint dry, almost. What I'd like to do is bring this camera back to life. It hasn't been the best camera in the world. However, it's been kind of reliable, more so than that GoPro, which was expensive and unreliable. My second ongoing theory is that the reason that this thing is so cheap is because instead of using some real material for the lens, they use some cheap polycarbonate like you would use in the surface of this watch. I think that's what the intent of this stuff originally was. I think all this stuff is lens grinding stuff, lens grinding paste, which is something that exists. Alright, it's been 2 to 3 minutes. Trying to see if it did any good. If it did, maybe I'll try it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Pretty cloudy. It's got a chance. I'll try it some more. There it is. It's actually made it a little worse, I think, which it shouldn't have. Maybe I don't have it all off. Yep, I'm ready to say no bueno. Well, I tried. Smell you later.